Hello everyone, welcome to WM Originals. Myself Akhil. I am back with another video of WM Originals series. Stay home and learn Windows 10 tips and tricks with me. In this video, I am going to tell you all how to install fonts in Windows 10. Yes, it is so easy to install fonts through Windows 10 settings directly, yet some may not know it yet. Let's start the video and know how to install fonts in Windows 10 desktop. Basically, there are two ways to install fonts. First from Microsoft Store, or if you have already downloaded font, you can just drag and drop to install it. Let's start the video. Let's start with the first one. Click on Start and open Settings. Then go to Personalization and from there go to Font. Here you can see various fonts installed on your Windows 10 PC. Well, here you can see a link, Get More Fonts in Microsoft Store. Clicking on it opens Microsoft Store, and here you can see various fonts available for purchase as well as some of them are free to download. Let's click on first of them, which is free to purchase as well. Here you can see all the details of the font on how and where you can use them. Click on Get, or you can also add that to cart and later buy multiple of them. Well, after you click on Get it, it refreshes and mentions you own this app. And now you can click on Install to start downloading. And once it's downloaded and installed, it's ready to use. You can now come back to fonts and you can see it's there in the list. You can easily uninstall it by just clicking on font, and there you can see an option to uninstall them. Now coming back to second method, if you have already downloaded font from web and want to use that, well, just drag and drop to install it. If font is already installed, it will come up with a warning that mentions font is already installed, and if you want to replace it, you can go ahead with that. You can later uninstall them as well. So these were few methods which can be used to install fonts on Windows 10 desktop. If you have any questions, you can ask those in comments. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to WM Originals, do it now and do share this video if you have learned something new. Thanks for watching. This is Akhil saying goodbye for now. See you all in my next video. Let's start with the unboxing of this MVP kit. Let's see what's inside and what Microsoft has sent. Here it is. Wow. This is awesome. This is Windows Insider MVP.
Windows 10 is finally here.
I made a video unboxing of a Windows Insider MVP kit, and most of you wanted to know how you can also become a Windows Insider MVP. But before becoming a Windows Insider MVP, you need to be a Windows Insider first.